We in the fish now.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grill and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So yeah, had a pretty good fishing day. So after we get them all cleaned up, we gonna go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, a little cayenne, a little garlic powder, and some onion powder. And hey, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That's that like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. And once we get them all seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and get into our half flour, half cornmeal mix, seasoned with a little salt and pepper. Get on in there. Let's get our lid on so we can do our shake it thing. Shake it. Only the old school gonna remember that shake and bake. Remember that shake and bake, y'all? Shake, bake. But anyway, we got our 350 degree oil. Now this is just vegetable oil. Let's get frying our fish out. And you know it's finna be tasty. You know it's gonna be tasty. Ain't nothing like fresh catfish. It always amazes me that when you fry that fresh catfish, it had that sweet taste. That sweet taste. Gotta be that same day though, y'all. Gotta be that same day. But anyway, once we get that good golden brown color on one side, we're gonna give them a flip. Make sure you get that tail in that grease, cause hey, that's that tater chip there, y'all. That's that fish tater chip. Oh yeah. This looking good too, y'all. Smelling good up in there. Oh my goodness. Now our fry took about 4 minutes aside. Now, of course, that will vary depending on what size your fish is. Let's go ahead and get them out. Get them on our rack. Because you know what time it is now, right, y'all? Time to play it up. So I got my fresh catfish. And I just did a straight fry today, y'all. I got me some fried green tomatoes. And I got me some onion rings. And yeah, y'all. Also had me some pickles on the side. Oh my goodness. But anyway, y'all. You know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.